guys, welcome to Media Moments with Sage Eden International Media Group. I'm Sherelle. It's great to see you. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys have given. And today I just want to share a little bit about one of the interesting topics I shared on my blog, which was entitled Flaunting Your Corporate Heels and Your Cooking Spoon. What I wanted to share was the fact that corporate women could embrace being a wife, being domestic, and do both very well. 5 tips I wanted to share with you. Decide what's most important. You don't want to have a wonderful business going for yourself, being a great professional woman, and then all of a sudden you're just unhappy at home because you go home and it's like you haven't taken care of your home. Make sure you prioritize. Plan your days ahead, plan your meals, plan everything, and be that superstar wife as well as that superstar CEO. It's definitely possible. Dispel the myths. So, corporate Bahamas, corporate America, corporate world has taught us that, we're supposed to be independent women, and yes, it's true, but not to the point where we make men feel like we don't need them because we want to have it all. The holistic picture, a wonderful family life as well as wonderful business. Okay. Embrace all of your roles. I want you to enjoy being whatever you are. I want you to move wherever you're from. Stay inspired, stay creative, stay fun, stay fabulous. So that's your Media Moments with Sage Eden. And you can follow me on Facebook. You can check us out on Twitter, LinkedIn, as well as on YouTube. And follow us on our blog as well. All right, see you later.